Oh, hello. The 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. The bathroom, YEPEE. This is the tub that I'm doing. It's from the 60s basically, and the only thing to get this clean usually is Clorox foam, but I don't have any, so I sprayed grease lightning on it. Sometimes that helps, but I also use a Mr. Cleaneraser. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and do this, see how white that came. So how many bathrooms do y'all have to clean? I have 2. So, you know, and the blue stain won't come out because it's a so old tub. So y'all won't be cleaning the bathroom. Y'all know how to do that event anyway. So y'all go attack y'all's cleaning. And this was the 11th day of Christmas that my true love gave me to clean. Let's see what the last day brings. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks.